Hello, my dear students. This is Debraj Bain from Kingston Educational Institute, Department of Skill of Draftsman Mechanical Trade. Today, we are going to discuss about conversion of isometric drawing to orthographic drawing in first angle projection method. And after watching this video, you will be able to know that how to implement this type of isometric drawings, orthographic projection. So here is our given isometric block or isometric object. Look at the arrow marked side carefully, which we'll need to consider as our front view in our orthographic drawing. So the total length of this arrow marked side is 34 millimeter plus 15 millimeter plus 15 millimeter. After summation of this, we will get total 64 millimeter length, and the width of this object as given is 90 millimeter, and the total height of this object is 33 millimeter plus 37 millimeter, and after summation of this we will get total 70 millimeter of this object's height. So as we are going to draw this orthographic drawing in first angle projection method, so we need to draw our front view first. After that we need to draw the top view just under that front view, and the side view will goes the right side of the front view as usual. So let's see, here is our front view or elevation. Look at the total height of this front view is 33 millimeter and 37 millimeter, total 70 millimeter, and the length of this front view is 15 millimeter plus 34 millimeter plus 15 millimeter. After summation of this we will get 64 millimeter of total length. The width length of this object, that is 90 millimeter, as given in our isometric object, is unable to see from this view, and the dotted lines are indicating the hidden portion of this object, which are also unable to see from this front view or elevation. After that, the top view will come under the front view. So in this case, this is our front view, sorry, this is our top view. Look at this view very carefully. Here we can see the total length and width of that object, but we are unable to see the total height of that object. And after this plan or top view, we will draw the side view of this object, just the right side of front view. So this is our side view, or simply right hand side view. We can see the width 90 millimeter and the total height of that object from this side view, but we are unable to see that arrow marked section's length 64 millimeter from this view. Look, The arrow marked section's length is total 64 millimeter. As we can see it more clearly from our front view, which is unable to see from our side view. So these are all for today.